what I see in my experience, we do better work when the community holds us accountable. We are more responsive. We can move things more when we know also what the community needs, wants, concerns. It helps us to do a better job. And so I think community has a very critical role in this process, in this transformation.
I mean, obviously the school system has put a nice framework around how they want to improve education outcomes for their students, but how we partner with them and how we can best help and assist in that work, I think is developing as we go along. The Housing Incentive Program was originally designed as a way for the school district to be able to recruit top talent. You know, obviously teachers and administrators who would commit over a period of time to not only living in the district but being a part of the transformation project as well. I think we saw it as an opportunity to improve neighborhoods that ultimately, by strengthening neighborhoods, you strengthen the environment in which kids live, learn, and play, and then that creates a better outcome educationally.
When I first started working here, I learned quickly that a commute from Kalamazoo to Battle Creek every day was laborious, and we do have a lot of teachers that commute here. So I know there's a huge push in and emphasis on getting teachers to live in the communities they serve.
I think the transformation also gives us a chance to have a targeted approach. We know that we can be more successful and see greater impact when we are targeted with our resources, and then when we combine them with our partners' resources, I think we can make a broader impact. We think of a partnership with the school, with the police department, as more like a school resource officer. This is helping kids before they have to have contact with a school resource officer. All of those social service providers, even the police department, are at the table to help those kids be successful. And I think that's a partnership that we didn't envision when the transformation first started, but it certainly has become what I feel is a game changer.
If we look at this, if we can impact these kids in some way and make a concerted effort from a systems perspective, and we're the leaders in the driver's seats of all of these different systems that intersect at a point in these children's lives, then why won't we at least try? And that's really what this effort is about.
I'm so impressed and proud that we're having the conversations that people had been afraid to have before. And I'd like to say that a lot of that came out of the NYU study. Now we have a piece of paper, a report that actually says we've got some disparities that we need to address if we really are going to move our community forward. It's okay to talk about racial equity, and it's okay to say that we're probably not hitting the mark and we have work to do, but how are we going to do that together?